Let's make my own version of 된장찌개. First, I'm gonna wash them with water, just like that. Then, I'm gonna prepare all the ingredients before cooking. Now, they are prepared, so let's start cooking. I put oil, then garlic, and that one I added salt and dashida, soy sauce, and I did like that with potato. Then I added squash, water, then let it boil. I put mushroom, water. While waiting, let me have my coffee. It's time to put the tofu, green onion leaves. Now I added the doenjang seasoning and I wanted it to be a little spicy, so I added gochugaru and I'm mixing them well. Let me check the taste this time. Delicious! Finally, we can serve it. Thank you everyone!